What is up guys, another site. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add a milestone on monday.com. So first you need to head over to your monday.com's website or application, and then you need to open your workspace, and after that you just simply need to open this in a calendar like form, and you need to make sure that you have the timeline panel, because the timeline panel is essential for manipulating and setting up the milestones. After that, when you have the timeline panel, you should choose the timeline which you want to set a milestone to, and when you choose it, simply hover to it and then right click on it, and then you will see the option to view in Gantt. Simply click on this, and after that this will open in your Gantt chart. And when this opens in the Gantt chart, here you will see some help. Just simply click on got it, and after that here the Gantt chart will open. And when the Gantt chart is open, here you can see the option to add a milestone. Simply click on this once, and then you can just simply add your new milestone, like the name, the owner, the status, the due date, the demo, and the timeline. You can change it everything, and you can just simply add some descriptions if you want to, and you can also add some files and activity log. And when you are done, simply click on this update and then save. It will automatically save basically, but simply click on update to update the description at least. And when you have done setting up your milestone, you can just simply exit the monday.com application, and then your milestone will be set. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.